ArcGIS includes a considerable array of tools and components to help you perform analysis and manage your data, like the geoprocessing tools we discussed in earlier videos. The ability to string these tools together in series or adapt the tools to satisfy your specific needs can improve your efficiency or extend your capabilities. Here, we will focus our attention on workflow automation and ModelBuilder. ArcGIS provides 3 ways for users to automate their geoprocessing tasks. These 3 options differ in the amount of skill required to produce the automated solution and in the range of scenarios that each can address. The first option is to construct a model using ModelBuilder. ModelBuilder is an interactive program that allows the user to chain tools together, using the output of one tool as the input in another. Perhaps the most attractive feature of ModelBuilder is that users can automate rather complex GIS workflows without the need for programming. Some automation tasks require greater flexibility than is offered by ModelBuilder, and for these scenarios it's recommended that you write short computer programs or scripts. A script typically executes some sequential procedure of steps. Within a script, you can run GIS tools individually or chain them together. You can insert conditional logic in your script to handle cases where different tools should be run depending on different outputs. You can also include iteration or loops in a script to repeat a single action as many times as needed to accomplish a task. Although ArcGIS supports various scripting languages for working with its tools, Esri emphasizes Python in its documentation and even includes Python with the ArcGIS installation. A third option available to ArcGIS users looking to automate geoprocessing is to build a solution using ArcObjects, which is the programming building blocks used by Esri's own developers to produce the ArcGIS desktop products. ArcObjects programming and interface customization are outside the scope of this course, but understand that the tools you run in ModelBuilder and Python actually use ArcObjects under the hood to run GIS functions. ModelBuilder is an application for creating and running workflows containing a sequence of geoprocessing tools. You can also create your own tools that can be shared. ModelBuilder is Esri's visual interface for making models. You can drag and drop tools from the catalog window into the model and connect them, specifying the order in which they should run. ModelBuilder is a nice environment for exploring the ArcGIS tools, learning how tool inputs and outputs are used, and visually understanding how GIS modeling works. If your GIS problem does not require advanced conditional or iterative logic, you may be able to get your work done in ModelBuilder without writing a script. ModelBuilder also allows you to export any model to Python code. Just note that exporting a complex model is not recommended for beginners due to the verbose amount of code that ModelBuilder tends to create when exporting to Python. You open ModelBuilder by selecting ModelBuilder from the geoprocessing options in the main ArcGIS desktop toolbar. You add data and tools to the ModelBuilder canvas by dragging them from the catalog or search window or by using the Add button. There are a variety of ways you can connect data to tools. A common method is to use the Add Connection tool. Once you have connected data to tools, you can execute the model from within ModelBuilder by clicking the Run button. ModelBuilder has a simple interface with drop-down menus, tools on a toolbar, and shortcut menu options as illustrated here. Shortcut menus are available for the whole model or any individual model element, variable, connectors, or tools with a right click. The white empty space in a model onto which the tools are dragged and connected to the variables is called the canvas, whereas the appearance and layout of the tools and variables connected together is called the model diagram. The large model diagram here shows 3 main types of model elements. Variables are elements in a model that hold a value or a reference to data stored on disk. Data variables are model elements that contain descriptive information about the data, like field information, spatial reference, and path. Value variables are values such as strings, numbers, true-false values, spatial references, linear units, or extents. Value variables contain anything but references to data stored on disk. Tools are the basic building blocks of workflows in a model. Tools perform various operations on geographic or tabular data. When tools are added to a model, they become model elements. Connectors connect data and values to tools. The connector arrows show the direction of processing. This smaller diagram shows an example model process. A model process consists of a tool and all variables connected to it. Connector lines indicate the sequence of processing. Many processes, like here, process 1 and process 2, can be chained together to create a larger process.